Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, let's create a tutorial for implementing the perceptron learning algorithm in Python. The perceptron is a simple neural network model used for binary classification. Here's a step-by-step guide with a code example. The perceptron is a fundamental algorithm in machine learning used for binary classification tasks. It is a simple neural network model that takes a set of input features and produces a binary output. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download and install Python from python.org. Congratulations! You've implemented a simple perceptron learning algorithm in Python. This basic example demonstrates how a perceptron can be trained to classify input data into two classes. You can further experiment with different datasets and parameters to gain a better understanding of the perceptron algorithm. ChatGPT